Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to approve sponsor request on Cash App. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen. On the bottom right corner, you will see the Activity section. Tap on the activity icon to continue. Inside the activity section, you will see a list of recent actions and requests. Scroll through the list and look carefully for the sponsor request. Right next to the sponsor request, you will see a button that says View. Tap on View to open the request. After tapping on View, Cash App will show you the details of the sponsor request. Take a moment to review the information on the screen. When you are ready to move forward, tap on the Continue button. Cash App will now ask you to approve the request. Tap on Approve to confirm. If your account is already verified, the sponsor request will be approved right away. You will see a confirmation message on the screen letting you know the process is complete. If your account is not verified yet, Cash App will ask you to complete verification first. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity. This may include confirming personal details or entering a code. Once verification is complete, the sponsor request will be approved automatically. Thanks for watching.